Saya cuma pada siap-siap mengenai tahu sama dia. Dari sana cukup malu atau ada lagi kalau menonton pula. Gaya nonton dulu pada cuma tengah di suka stop. Mana?
Vinaka, we are wearing the same colors today. So traditionally, previously, when they had to do the tatau, they had to do the tambua. So I've told Saleh that in my tradition, since you're a member of this household, you'll just come and present Wanangon. Meaning, you are part of this household. We all represent Fiji. Even though you're from different ethnic background, some of you are maybe from Teleu, Kumuna, but if you're from Lomaibiti, you are not here. And otherwise, everybody here is part of this household. This household is the pinnacle of the government of Fiji. Everybody that comes to Fiji has to come here first. So I think the tradition that has been ongoing these last few years is something that our forefathers used to do. It's just to come and present, to inform that we are going on a mission to represent you. We are going there on your behalf. So you'll be going to the games not only on my behalf, but for the whole of Fiji. I know that we have our every morning. You know, we have every day. We have a new day every day. Today is another new day for you. Now, some of you, this could be your first trip to this residence, and who knew that one day you're going to be sitting facing me or facing the president to come and present you. Why? Because each and every one of you were chosen since the day you were born, that one day you're going to go to the president's office, you're going to present your tatau because you're representing the country. And when you represent the country, you are taking all our prayers, our best wishes, our support, our everything that you're taking there in the game of sports. Because you are going to write a story, you're going to tell a story of where you are going, where you come from. I'm always proud. Sometimes it's always emotional to read the hardships that you go through. The hardship, the training, you know. Sometimes you have to go and choke your bus fare, you know, have to ask for your bus fare. Yeah? Excuse the language, but that's, you know, I'm trying to, so you understand what I'm saying. The hardships that you go through. And of all that hardships that you've gone through, this is it. This is what they say, this is the last hurrah for you. To be here, to come and tatau. The blessing is already there. The support is already there. All you've got to do is just go out there and get what you bring back home. And I know that you'll be leaving on the next few days, I'm told. My wish is for you, when you go and do what you have been dreaming of, what you have been passionate about, what you have lived through, and when you return, come back here. Come back here, I'll be waiting for you. You know? I'll be waiting for you, for you to come and present the same 7 said, Ratu, we are back. You know? And so by doing that, you will see what's in the next lap for you. That's what I believe. Most of these teams, they go, just come into the tatau, they go. When they return, they don't come back here. It's like when you leave your home, you can tell your mom and dad, Mom, I'm going. When you come back, you have to go back to your family. This is your family looking at you today. So when you go, you come back. And come, and I'll be expecting you to come here. To come and meet me and say, we're back. So, on behalf of the people of Fiji, behalf of this institution, on behalf of your families, your parents, I stand proud to wish you well with all my prayers, my support, my everything on your trip to the Marianas. Go strong. Nakabakalebu.